The all-new Duramax Diesel for the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado HD has arrived, and it's so impressive that it could bring tears of joy. If you thought the Silverado HD couldn't get any better, think again. It may not have class-leading torque, but with superior refinement, excellent towing capacity, and impressive fuel economy, the Silverado HD is a perfect work machine. Diesel power. Let's cut straight to the heart of what makes this truck special, that phenomenal Duramax Diesel engine. We're talking about a 6.6-liter turbocharged V8 that cranks out 470 horsepower and a staggering 975 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers aren't just impressive on paper, they translate to real-world capability that leaves the competition scratching their heads. Compare that to the standard gasoline engine, and the difference becomes crystal clear. The 6.6-liter gas V8 produces 401 horsepower and 464 pound-feet of torque. Solid numbers, sure, but nothing like what the Duramax delivers. We're talking about more than double the torque output, which means the diesel variant doesn't just tow heavy loads, it makes them feel light. Now, some rivals might boast slightly higher torque figures on their spec sheets. The Ram 3500 with its Cummins diesel can push out even more twist. But here's where the Duramax truly shines: refinement and balance. This engine doesn't just muscle through tasks. It does so with a smoothness that makes long hauls comfortable and efficient. Speaking of efficiency, the diesel Silverado HD achieves an impressive 20 miles per gallon on the highway. For a truck capable of towing up to 36,000 pounds, that's remarkable fuel economy. The gasoline version simply can't match these numbers, making the Duramax not just more powerful, but also more economical in the long run. Both engines pair with an Allison 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring power delivery is smooth and responsive, whether you're hauling equipment to a job site or pulling a massive trailer across the country. Making things simpler. Chevrolet's heavy-duty lineup has always offered incredible variety, but sometimes too much choice can overwhelm buyers. GM management recognized this challenge and decided to streamline the 2026 Silverado HD lineup. The goal was simple: make the buying process easier without sacrificing the truck's legendary versatility. The most significant change affects the LT and LTZ trim levels. Previously, these trims were available with both rear-wheel drive and four-wheel drive configurations. For 2026, Chevrolet has eliminated rear-wheel drive options from these trims, with one exception. LT chassis cab models still offer the two-wheel drive option for commercial buyers who need it. Additionally, the LTZ trim no longer comes in double cab configuration. This might seem like a reduction in choice, but it actually reflects real-world buying patterns. Most customers who step up to the LTZ trim prefer the full-size crew cab for its enhanced passenger comfort and convenience features. The result? Only the work truck and custom trims now offer both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive options, while higher trims focus exclusively on four-wheel drive. This simplification helps buyers navigate the extensive configuration options more easily while ensuring each trim level has a clear identity and purpose. The Silverado HD still offers an incredible range of cab styles, bed lengths, and capability levels. The choices just make more sense now. It's all about presence. When a Silverado HD rolls down the road, it commands attention. This truck's substantial presence and bold styling have been turning heads since the current generation launch, and for good reason. The imposing front grille, muscular proportions, and confident stance communicate capability before the engine even starts. Such a strong exterior design doesn't need major overhauls every model year. Instead, Chevrolet focused on thoughtful refinements that enhance the truck's already impressive appearance. The changes for 2026 are subtle but meaningful, maintaining the Silverado HD's distinctive character while adding fresh touches. The most noticeable update comes in the form of a new polar white tricoat exterior finish. This premium paint option replaces the discontinued iridescent pearl, offering customers a sophisticated color choice that highlights the truck's bold lines and substantial proportions. The tricoat finish provides depth and richness that looks equally at home on construction sites and country clubs. Complementing the new paint option are bright finish 20-inch aluminum wheels. These replace the previous polished 20-inch rollers, offering a more modern appearance while maintaining the robust look heavy-duty truck buyers expect. The bright finish provides excellent durability and easier maintenance compared to polished wheels, making them as practical as they are attractive. These updates prove that sometimes less is more. The Silverado HD's design was already strong enough to stand the test of time, and these refinements simply enhance what was already working well. Modern and well-equipped interior. Don't let the work truck classification fool you. The Silverado HD's interior proves that capability and refinement can coexist. Step inside any trim level and you'll find a cabin that balances functionality with genuine comfort and modern technology. Build quality throughout the range impresses with solid materials and tight assembly. Even base work truck models feature durable surfaces designed to withstand years of hard use, while higher trims incorporate soft-touch materials and premium finishes that rival luxury vehicles. The dashboard layout emphasizes usability, with controls positioned exactly where you'd expect them. Technology integration reaches impressive levels across the lineup. Every Silverado HD comes with a touchscreen infotainment system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims feature a massive 13.4-inch display that serves as the command center for navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The system includes Google built-in technology, providing enhanced voice commands and seamless integration with Google services. Higher trim levels add luxuries that make long days more comfortable. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, and premium audio systems transform the Silverado HD into a mobile office or comfortable cruiser for family trips. The fact that you can get this level of refinement in a truck capable of towing 36,000 pounds speaks to Chevrolet's commitment to versatility. Work competence. Starting with the 2500 HD models, payload capacity ranges from 3,372 to 3,689 pounds depending on configuration. That lower figure still beats most half-ton trucks by more than half a ton, demonstrating the fundamental capability advantage heavy-duty trucks provide. Towing capacity with the gasoline engine reaches up to 17,400 pounds, which handles most recreational and light commercial needs with authority. Upgrade to the Duramax Diesel and towing capacity jumps dramatically to 20,000 pounds with conventional hitches. For even more serious hauling, fifth wheel and gooseneck configurations can handle up to 22,430 pounds. These numbers put the 2500 HD in legitimate heavy-duty territory while maintaining better maneuverability than larger trucks. The 3500 HD takes capability to another level entirely. Payload capacity reaches an impressive 7,442 pounds in the strongest configuration. That's enough to carry a small car in the bed. Gasoline engines provide towing capacity up to 17,400 pounds, matching the 2500 HD's diesel numbers and proving that even the base powertrain is seriously capable. With the Duramax Diesel, the 3500 HD becomes a towing monster capable of pulling up to 36,000 pounds. That's enough capacity for the largest travel trailers, construction equipment, or commercial cargo. These figures put the Silverado HD in direct competition with the most capable trucks available, ensuring no job is too big for this platform. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 Silverado HD lineup demonstrates Chevrolet's commitment to offering a truck for every buyer and every budget. Starting prices begin at an accessible level, while top-tier configurations provide luxury features that rival premium vehicles. Work truck models start at around $48,000, establishing the entry point for serious heavy-duty capability. These trucks include essential features like trailering equipment, power windows and locks, air conditioning, and a 7-inch touchscreen with smartphone integration. Don't mistake base for stripped. These trucks are well equipped for their intended purpose. Custom trim bumps the price to around $51,500 while adding 20-inch aluminum wheels, all-terrain tires, power-adjustable mirrors, and upgraded interior materials. This trim strikes an excellent balance between capability and comfort without breaking the budget. LT trim, priced at around $53,000, represents the sweet spot for many buyers. The equipment list expands significantly with the larger 13.4-inch touchscreen, navigation system, trailer brake controller, and enhanced interior appointments. This trim opens the door to numerous option packages that can tailor the truck to specific needs. LTZ trim commands $65,500 but justifies the price with leather upholstery, heated and power-adjustable seats, dual-zone climate control, and advanced trailering technology. Electronic variable steering assistance reduces driver fatigue during long hauls, making this trim ideal for frequent highway use. For off-road enthusiasts, the ZR2 variants start at $75,000, targeting buyers who need maximum off-road capability. The package includes lifted suspension, performance shocks, locking differentials, and aggressive styling elements. Despite the off-road focus, these trucks maintain full towing capacity. High country trim tops the range at around $76,000, delivering luxury features like ventilated seats, premium audio, and advanced safety systems. The surround view camera system proves invaluable when maneuvering such a large vehicle in tight spaces. The range extends even higher with specialized configurations. The ZR2 Bison Edition almost reaches $95,000, while loaded 3500 HD high country models approach $89,000. This pricing demonstrates the incredible span of capability and luxury available within the Silverado HD family. The combination of that magnificent Duramax Diesel, streamlined configurations, and comprehensive trim range makes the 2026 Silverado HD more appealing than ever. This truck doesn't just meet heavy-duty expectations, it exceeds them in every meaningful way. But the competition in the HD segment is tough, even though there aren't that many options around. Simply, every model impresses in its own way. Check out this video about the 2026 Ford Super Duty you can now see on the screen. Apparently, this truck is so good that its owners plan to keep it forever.